Hello and welcome, this is Esther with the Christmas Stampathon 2023. This month's theme is luxury. So, zhuzhing up your cards with glitter and sparkle and gold and metallics and, you know what luxury is. So starting with a plain piece of basic white, and this is 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. I'm just using what's on my blending brush to see what will lay down on the card. It's obviously not enough. So I'm grabbing in the boho blue and coming in to create a bigger circle with my blending brush and blending the colours in. This acts as a nice background base. Then coming in with the snowflake mask and creating an edge with whatever is left on my brush from the boho blue. Stenciling in each corner, so we've got the snowflakes going around the edge. Next, just laying down myself a mask so that I don't go across the middle for the next bit. Coming in with that really lovely large snow crystal stamp set and stamping it with Versamark and putting on what I thought was, I think I wanted to use either white or clear embossing powder. So adding this onto the snowflake, and I go and try it and I'm like, oh, I wanted white. But this is actually heat and stick powder. I was like, okay. So I kind of in my head thought I could go down this route and do the snowflake gold. And I think my project kind of told me, because I ended up using the heat and stick powder, which wasn't the original plan. But we go with it. And I think, wow, let's add in the gold gilding for some luxury snowflake. And then I wanted a sentiment to fit along the middle. So this is from the framed and festive stamp set, dipping it in Versamark ink first and then in the boho blue, so that when I come to use the clear embossing powder it will show through as that lovely blue colour, but it will still look raised with the emboss. So adding that on now and then just dipping that back into the tub, as it's quite a small space. Again, heating this up and then going, I thought I used clear. But this ends up to be the white embossing powder. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I don't know if I need glasses or something, but I kept picking up the wrong one. So I thought this isn't quite standing out. So I'm braving it, coming back in with the boho blue and stamped over it to create a shadowing. Now I would say if you're going to do this, maybe do it the opposite way, not the way that I'm doing it. But anyway, we go with it and using sparkling snowflakes to add extra boldness around the edge, again using that colour palette of the boho blue. And more is more when it comes to luxury, I think, sometimes. So coming in with the embossing paste, I love this stuff. It's like so textured and yeah, yummy. Don't eat it though. And then I didn't want to cover it in gold. This is definitely gold. I just wanted sprinkles of it, just touching the snowflakes, kissing the snowflakes, so that you've got that touch of gold without losing that lovely white paste. So I've got some nice texture. Coming in with my blender pen, I'm just covering up that centre piece because I don't want the word to be covered in splatters. So hitting it over my block. I realised that I've used the wrong end of my pen. I don't know if that had caused the bigger blobs or not, but it had the desired effect. Then I'm using a gold ink pad here because I want to draw in your eye even more to the centre of the card and just give that a nice gold edge to look, what's the word? Can't think. And then coming in with 2 gold ribbons. Why not? This is a luxury card. So I've got the nice thin gold with the thicker gold. I've just got to untwist this bit here that has got twisted in the bow. I edited that bit out because you don't need to see me doing that. And splattering with the old wink of Stella to give it sparkle. Coming in with this gorgeous blue glimmer paper. This is actually the old ombre one, but I think we do a blue one at the moment. I gut it out the middle, save all that lovely glitter card, and then I can layer on that piece onto a nice backing of white. And then the bow got a lot of glue dot treatment because I wanted to make sure that stuck onto the gold glitter, gold foil. So 3 glue dots, make sure that's really stuck down in place, and that's going to be the star of the show on top of there. Chose some rhinestones to add to the centre of the larger snowflakes that you can see the centres, like so. And then coming in with some other embellishments. These ones got lovely sparkly silver foil in them, and they match my colour scheme. So I've added some of those all around. Then coming in with some frosted white sequins to add those, trying to be random. And then last but not least, adding in some gold sequins. And this ties in the colour scheme nicely. Just going for that kind of diagonal look. Struggling to know where to put these because I laid down so many already. There we have it. Here's my luxury card for this month's Christmas Stampathon theme of luxury. Please head over to Facebook if you'd like to see all the projects and see what the design team have made this month. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Please comment below. Let me know what you thought of today's card. Did it fulfill the luxury theme? I love the textures. I love the colour scheme. Really pleased with how this turned out. Take care. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget, if you're not subscribing, you can hit that subscribe button and you can hit the bell to get notifications of further videos. Take care. Bye for now.